present on-screen commentary of some incidents to help viewers understand each situation, and comment educational feedback to enhance the knowledge of drivers. Before we begin, please make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Enjoy watching.
Life itself. Think about moments in your life when you felt in love with life. When you saw the light dancing through the leaves on the sidewalk. And you, for a moment, realized how simple that is and how it's beautiful. Think of the moments.
I've seen it before. Oh, that one right there? Yeah. I'll go over there. I don't like
That's the turn. That's the turn.
Oh! Fucking Christ, dog.
Holy guacamole. Okay, that one was not my fault.
That was what the hell is he doing?
Holy.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the bag. Oh my God.
What?
That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no!
I'm gonna get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm gonna call the police right now.
Oh no. I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
I'm calling 911.
God!
So, what are these buttons for? So comfy. Ah! I'm burning! Ah! Out! Oh no! No, no, no! Not me!
The sound is so powerful. And what's this? Yeah, this is fun. Not my fault.
Time to try this beauty.
Huh? Simply the best. It's perfect. The engine is so powerful.
Oh, yummy. Oopsie.
The race is on.
What have you done? You ruined it. You'll have to pay for this car. Come with me. Cash your card. Good. Approved. Congrats on your purchase. You deserve it.
Speed and red light camera in 100 meters. Speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour.
That's what he got. People, Dad, you don't know how close I came to accidents with people, and I have it all on dash cam. Like right now? Oh my God! What the heck? Come on, man. Oh, Dad, I was just talking about people don't pay attention. NUC 0933. Oh my God.
Ooh, I like some of the fun malls. We could go there. We could go to the Natick Mall. We could go. Whoa! Oh my God. Ooh. What the hell is going on?
It's a stop sign, you Jesus Christ. What? Oh my God.
Electrician killed in Las Vegas. Jesus Christ, dude. Well, here I go. Get out of here.
Yaptı. Bu işte. Pekala. Ben seni dinleyeceğim.
Evet, şüphelendiğim gibi Cedric. Evet Gary. Cedric için yanıyorsun.
Gary'nin Cedric diyeceğine emindim ama ben Gary diyemem. Başta beni yazmadın çünkü. Şimdi defol. Sanırım stratejik olarak...
Over or I didn't know what I was gonna do. Oh God, that's bad. Oh God, I did not see what happened. Did you see what happened?
Yeah, it hit that car.
Who hit who?
Do you see that white car?
I know I saw the white car hit the other car, but then what happened?
It like made a big weird noise.
Are you okay? Stay here. Stay here.
Oh, damn.
and then he's just working for Chipotle to. There you go. Well, you're welcome anytime.
Really? Okay, do you have...
1978, Jane lived in her own apartment and worked as a burger chef full-time, driving a white 1974 Chevrolet Vega.
Oh, this guy's gonna go too. You're gonna get hit.
Jesus Christ.
That red guy shouldn't be going. Look at his marks.
Shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap.
So at this point, that's what the information they're working with. This still remains a very active scene. They have to shelter in place. So all these folks who live in these buildings right here, most of them have not been able to come out since this has happened because they're not even letting cars leave some of these parking garages.
Come on in, the weather's dreadful. We always have a room to spare. Told my mother she is not.
Then on his way home. What the f was that all about? Good Lord. Are you alright? I am. Are you okay? Yeah. What's that all about? Hey! 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 Get your phone.
Opened my eyes, it was still there. I mean, again, probably all in my head, but still, it was one of the, it is the scariest thing that I've ever experienced in my entire life. I don't know what the hell was going on. It was an old building. They tore it down.
Were you wildly aroused? Jesus.
Well, I mean,
It could have been the night, man.
yeah.
It could have been the night. Like the night.
Yeah.
Look at that guy.
Well, what happened?
I don't know, but I got it on video.
We call 911. How did that happen? Oh my gosh.
I have no idea why that guy was speeding so fast.
Is he okay?
Tune in for YouTube News every weekday at 7/11 Go to Cubo7.com and enter
Like the pain is waking me up now. Before I was tired.
Someone honking at you?
No, the truck driver tried to cut me off, man. Oh, like I'm right in the lane, right? And he's forcing the lane change. This guy's a mother. Oh, I have the right of way, you idiot. I'm going straight. Like, what's wrong with you? Fucking idiot. Oh, he's right behind me telling me. What the what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, man? Oh, He's killing me. He's actually killing me. Oh my god, I have a dash cam, bro. Holy shit, he's trying to hit me, bro. He's trying to, bro. Bro, he's trying to hit me. What the fuck? He's trying to hit me, bro. What the?
Why is the guy tailgating you? Did you cut him up?
No, I'm going in straight in the right lane, and he forced his way in. He almost tried to hit me. Like, you know when you're in the right lane, and the guy's like forcing his lane change, but you have the right of way. He's forcing his way, like as if I have to let him in. I don't have to let him in. It's not like a merge, bro. It's like you know, he's trying to get off.
So you didn't let him.
You yelled, I'm Stacks.
Yeah, the name's Stacks McFadden.
Stacks McFadden's a great name.
I pushed my dad off a building.
Very cool. I have 5 pets.
Don't hit us.
What the?
Jesus Christ!
From the small has been removed after Sting's disappearance. The sleep police determined
The person that into the car isn't liable. Right. But the car manufacturer could be. Oh! Oh! Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude. Yeah, I heard the wheel squeaking. The car's wheel just came off, and this mother driving away. What the are you doing, dude? He's driving on his rim. He almost hit the car in front of me. The wheel just took off. What the dude, get video. I got a dash cam. I have the whole thing on video. Oh my god.
Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there. मर्जी करने वाला होगा लंबा रास्ता हो जाता आगे नहीं तो ज्यादा नहीं ट्रैक डाउन लगी नहीं बच गया यार
There lies a long shadow. The tower trembles.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white women who
Jesus Christ.
Day. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 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 So you have Monday. I guess that's good.
Pati.
Obama.